Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to create a KWL chart in Google Docs that you and your partner will be using as you collect and organize research for your upcoming state reports. For this, one partner will need to create the KWL chart in Google Docs, so between you and your partner, you will need to choose who is going to be following the following steps. All right, once you've chosen, you want to go to Google Docs. So to do that, the quickest way is to type in docs.google.com, and you'll be prompted to log into your Google Drive account. You have your own username and password, and you will need to sign in. Once you have signed in, we're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner, and we're going to click this plus to create a new document. And a blank document appears. Next, what you'll want to do is go to the upper left-hand corner, and we want to title this document, so you can click there and give your document a new name. We'll call this KWL Minnesota. And then what you'll want to do is title this document on your actual page. So I like to center, align my text, KWL Minnesota, and then you want to put your name and your partner's name. We'll pretend that I am working with my partner, Katie. Once you write your names, it's helpful to go in and highlight your name and then choose a color, a text font color. I'll choose red, and my partner, we'll give her a color, we'll give her blue. She can change that once she logs in. But that way, when you're adding information, you can see what your information is that you've added and what your partner's information, what they've added. The color coding really makes it easy to differentiate between who's adding what information. The next thing that you're going to do, we want to change our font color back to black before we insert our table. You're going to go to the toolbar and click on Insert. Go down about a third of the box, go to Table, and then we want to insert a table that is 3 columns by 2 rows. And you can click to insert that. This first row here will be our headings. So our 3 columns will be Know, Want to Know, lowercase that, and Learned. If you want to, you can center those, you can highlight the text, center those again. You can change the font size. Let's say we want it to be 14-point font. Sometimes what you might want to do is, I like to bold the first letter. You don't have to do that, but it kind of makes it stand out so you can clearly tell that it's a KWL chart. And then if I want to go in and add data, I'll choose my color. Again, I'm red. And what do I already know about Minnesota? Well, I know that it's sometimes called the land of 10,000 lakes, and you can begin adding your information that way. Now, in order for your partner to have access to this document, you need to go to this upper right-hand corner and click Share. Once you click Share, you'll need to enter your partner's email address and make sure that this Can Edit is clicked, so that they can go in and edit this Google Doc. Otherwise, they will not have access to the Google Doc and will not be able to add any of their own information. And the last thing that you'll want to do is make sure that you get a shareable link. You'll click this button here, and this gives you a link that you can use so that anybody with that link can view the information that you've posted in your Google Doc. We are going to be posting these into KidBlog, so you'll need to make sure that other people can look at this information, so you need to have that shareable link. Again, enter your partner's email address. You can click Done, and that's all there is to it. Good luck and have fun.